Want to treat yourself without leaving home? These Amazon comfort and wellness gadgets are all about helping you relax, feel refreshed, and enjoy a little luxury every day. From soothing self-care tools to cozy home essentials, they make pampering effortless. Check the links in the description to see them all. Ever wondered what's really going on inside your ears? This flexible ear camera lets you see it all in stunning HD. The bendable scope follows the natural curves of your ear, so cleaning is easier and safer than ever. Soft silicone tips and a built-in stopper protect your eardrum, while gentle tweezers remove wax without pain. With multiple cleaning heads and a compact case, it's your all-in-one kit for adults, kids, and travel. Say goodbye to tight shoulders and stiff necks. This 4D Bionic Massager kneads like real thumbs, reaching deep into sore muscles in your neck, back, and shoulders. Turn on the soothing heat and feel tension melt away. Perfect after work, workouts, or chasing the kids. Lightweight and ergonomic, you can use it anywhere, at home, in the office, or even on the couch. With one-touch controls, it's family-friendly relief that fits every lifestyle. Tired of aches slowing you down? This heated massage pad wraps around your back or waist, delivering soothing warmth and vibration where you need it most. With 3 massage modes and 2 heat levels, you can customize comfort for cramps, sore muscles, or stiff joints. The adjustable strap fits everyone, so the whole family can enjoy relief. Soft, cozy material makes it feel like a gentle hug while easing tension. Sitting all day doesn't have to hurt. This ergonomic office chair supports your neck, shoulders, and waist with a unique 3-zone system. The headrest, armrests, and lumbar support adjust in multiple directions, so you can customize comfort exactly how you like. Breathable mesh keeps you cool, while the seat depth and reclining angle let you relax or power through work. Smart design meets long-lasting comfort, making every hour at your desk easier on your body. Tired legs after work or workouts? This massage roller glides smoothly over your thighs, calves, and buttocks, easing soreness and stiffness. Its round rollers give a pain-free deep tissue massage while boosting circulation and helping smooth cellulite. Compact and lightweight, you can use it at home, in the gym, or even at the office. Perfect for athletes, desk workers, or anyone who wants quick relief and firmer, toned skin. Keep track of your oxygen and pulse anytime, anywhere. This wearable oximeter slips comfortably on your finger and continuously monitors oxygen levels and heart rate. It connects to an app or PC software so you can store, track, and share your data with ease. Smart reminders alert you if your readings go above or below your set limits. Rechargeable and lightweight, it's perfect for fitness, travel, or just staying aware of your health. Checking your blood pressure has never been easier. This wrist monitor shows clear readings on a large LED touchscreen with color-coded results so you instantly know if your numbers are in range. Voice alerts guide you through each measurement, and dual memory stores 99 readings for 2 users. The adjustable, comfortable cuff fits most wrists, and the rechargeable battery keeps it ready wherever you go. Compact and portable, it's perfect for keeping track of your health at home or on the move. Give your head the relief it deserves. This scalp massager kneads and presses acupoints with 16D airbags and 96 vibration points, easing headaches, fatigue, and stress. Built-in heat warms your head gently, while 3 pressure levels and 3 massage modes let you customize comfort. Soft, breathable PU leather makes it cozy and easy to wear. Lightweight and battery-powered, it's perfect for daily relaxation, sleep support, or even hangover recovery. Long flights or hard chairs don't have to leave you sore. This inflatable seat cushion fills up in seconds. No pump needed, and molds perfectly to your hips. Its 3D airbag design spreads pressure, eases coccyx discomfort, and keeps blood flowing. Breathable material prevents heat buildup, so you stay cool even after hours of sitting. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for airplanes, office chairs, stadiums, or wheelchairs. Turn your living room into a personal spa. This full-body massage chair covers you from neck to calves with rollers, airbags, and 3 pressure levels that mimic real hands. Zero-gravity reclining reduces spinal pressure while built-in heat soothes your lower back. Foot rollers and yoga-style stretching relieve soreness from head to toe. AI voice control and Bluetooth speakers let you relax completely while enjoying music or hands-free operation. Wrist pain shouldn't be part of your daily workflow. This ergonomic wrist rest moves with your hand, supporting you exactly where you need it while using a mouse. The contoured shape keeps your wrist in a natural position, helping reduce strain during long sessions. Soft silicone cushioning balances comfort with stability, so you feel supported without sinking in. Smooth glide feet let it slide effortlessly across your desk as you move. Perfect for work, gaming, or casual browsing without the fatigue. Sometimes the smallest things make the biggest difference. These bead-infused scent patches stick right onto your clothes and release a fresh, plant-based aroma throughout the day. The tiny beads burst gently when pressed, boosting the fragrance exactly when you want it. They stay put without damaging fabric and peel off clean with no sticky residue. Easy to carry, easy to use, and perfect for staying comfortable during hot days or crowded moments. Just stick, press, and go about your day feeling fresher. Ear cleaning doesn't have to feel like guesswork anymore. This light-up ear cleaning kit lets you clearly see what you're doing, making everyday care safer and easier. The soft spoon tips are gentle and rounded, so you can clean comfortably without poking or pressure. Tweezers and spiral tools help remove buildup, while also soothing itchiness as you go. Everything stores neatly in a compact case, making it perfect for home use or travel. Simple, clean, and stress-free for all ages. Tension has a way of sneaking into your neck and shoulders after a long day. This deep kneading massager targets sore muscles with rotating nodes that feel like real hands at work. Built-in heat adds soothing warmth to help loosen tight areas and improve circulation while you relax. You can adjust the intensity to match exactly how much pressure you want. Use it on your neck, back, or legs at home, at your desk, or even in the car for instant relief. Breathing support shouldn't tie you down to one room. This portable nebulizer turns liquid medicine into a fine mist that's easy for your lungs to absorb. With simple one-button control, you can choose a stronger or gentler mode depending on who's using it. It runs quietly, so you can use it without disturbing rest or sleep. Compact and lightweight, it slips into a bag for home or travel use. When breathing needs attention, you get calm, convenient relief wherever you are. Your feet work hard all day, and this machine gives them the break they deserve. This 2-in-1 foot and calf massager wraps your legs in deep kneading, compression, and gentle vibration to melt away tension. Built-in heat adds soothing warmth that helps tired muscles relax faster. You can switch modes and intensity so the massage feels just right for you. When you're done, it even doubles as a comfortable footrest, turning everyday relaxation into a daily habit. Long events shouldn't mean sore backs and stiff legs. This padded stadium seat turns hard bleachers into a comfortable spot with real back support and armrests. The thick cushion softens the seat, while multiple recline angles let you find your perfect position. Built-in cup holders and roomy pockets keep drinks and essentials within reach. It sets up fast and carries easily, so you can enjoy games, concerts, or park days in comfort instead of constantly shifting around. Sunbathing gets a serious upgrade with this clever lounge chair. It lets you lie flat or recline while keeping your face and arms comfortably supported through built-in cutouts. Multiple adjustable positions help you find the perfect angle for relaxing, reading, or soaking up the sun. A padded pillow adds extra comfort where you need it most. When you're done, it folds down neatly, making it easy to store or take along to the beach, pool, or backyard. Road trips don't have to mean awkward naps anymore. This folding car mattress turns your back seat into a flat, comfortable resting space in seconds. There's no inflating or setup stress. Just unfold it and you're ready to relax. One side feels smooth and sleek, while the other adds a fun, soft touch everyone enjoys. When the ride continues, it folds away neatly. Perfect for camping, long drives, or giving kids and pets a cozy place to stretch out. Want a full-body workout without leaving your living room? This vibration plate activates muscles from head to toe, boosting strength, balance, and flexibility with every session. Gentle oscillations improve circulation, reduce joint tension, and even support faster recovery. Adjustable speed settings let you tailor the intensity to your fitness level, while included loop bands add extra resistance for toning. Compact and quiet, it fits anywhere and makes home workouts simple, effective, and surprisingly fun. Who says you can't stay active while working or browsing at home? This under-desk exercise bike doubles as a workstation with a removable desktop, letting you pedal while you type or read. 8 resistance levels help you customize your workout, while the quiet magnetic system keeps it peaceful. A built-in LCD tracks time, distance, calories, and speed, so you can monitor your progress. Sturdy and space-saving, it's perfect for boosting fitness without leaving your desk. Turn any space into a relaxing spa with this portable inflatable bathtub. Its soft, ergonomic backrest and seat cushion make soaking comfortable, while the clever zip-up cover locks in heat, so your bath stays warm longer. Lightweight and foldable, you can set it up in the bathroom, balcony, or even outdoors for a unique bathing experience. A built-in storage pocket keeps essentials close, and the electric air pump makes setup a breeze. Perfect for home, travel, or giving as a thoughtful gift. Knee pain shouldn't slow you down, and this massager makes sure it doesn't. The Pro Plus combines heat, vibration, and dual red light therapy to target discomfort from every angle. 4 intensity levels and memory recall let you pick the perfect setting every time, while cordless design keeps it portable for use at home, at your desk, or on the go. Fast heat up means relief starts in seconds, helping you stay active and comfortable wherever life takes you. Side sleeping just got a whole lot comfier. This memory foam knee pillow fits snugly between your legs, aligning hips and spine to relieve pressure on knees, lower back, and joints. Its contoured shape keeps it in place all night, while the soft, breathable cover adds extra comfort and is easy to wash. Use it in different positions for side or back sleeping, or during pregnancy, post-surgery recovery, or just to improve overall sleep quality. Perfect for anyone seeking better rest and less pain. Give your skincare routine a tech-savvy upgrade with this facial massager. The curved arc head glides smoothly over your face and neck, helping creams and serums absorb better while gently stimulating circulation. With 3 customizable modes, you can choose the intensity that suits your skin. Compact, rechargeable, and easy to use, it's perfect at home or on the go. Comes with a USB cable and user manual for effortless daily pampering. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.